Thank you very much. Okay, 4 kilometers, teacher. Serve, sige. Ayan na. Oop. Okay, barefoot running day 383 with Chikiting. 1 week. 1 week kami hindi natakbo. Wala nung nag 16 kilometers kami kasi nag-uulan. Okay, warm up na, warm up. Let's go. Serve, sige. Ayan na. Oop. Listen. Go, go, go. Sige. Layo naman. Okay, 1 kilometer, teacher. Pace natin ay 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 82 kilocalories burn. Alright. Kaya sinubukan namin yung bagong extension dito. Titingnan natin kung mga ilang kilometro to. Ay ilang, siguro 1 kilometer to. Alright. Yan, nasa 400 lang. 800 balikan. Not bad, di ba? Oh. Lalo na may kasama kang mamaw. Rising mamaw. Alright. Washing. Ano problema? Okay, 2 kilometers. Ang pace natin 7 minutes and 21 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 171 kilocalories burn. Medyo mainit na. Okay, 3 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 19 seconds. Ang calories burn natin 260 kilocalories burn. Alright. Okay, 4 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 29 ba? 29 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 349 kilocalories burn. Alright. Nakakain tayo dito sa SI Runners. Tart ng almusal, pangsit. Thank you very much.